Welcome to Math with Sowmya. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
This is completing the square method. I have taken this one to do with the example. So here we have to complete the square. 3x square is not a perfect square. So to make it a square, either you have to multiply by 3 or divide by 3. If you divide, 3 will get cancelled, x square remain. Or you can say multiply throughout by 3. That means you are multiplying both the side or multiply and divide. So this will go in the same way. So 3 into 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. Multiply throughout. This will give you 9x square minus 15x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now the first term has become the perfect square for me. 15x plus 6 is equal to 0. If I see a square minus 2ab plus b square, the a square, I can call this my a square. So a will be 3x because a square is 3x whole square. So alone a is 3x. Let us see what is 2ab. Pick this as 2ab. Let us find b from here. 2 as it is, a is 3x, b we need to find 15x, b is nothing but 15x divided by 2 into 3 into x. X get cancelled, 3 5s are. Therefore, b is 5 by 2 into 5 by 2, that's it. b is equal to 5 by 2. We want b square to complete the formula. So, we can say here, add and subtract because I want b square. Simply you cannot add anything, plus b square you want. So b is 5 by 2. So say here add and subtract 5 by 2 whole square. So I am adding and subtracting b square. So what I will get? 3x whole square minus 15x, which is nothing but 2ab, plus 5 by 2 whole square, which is b for me, minus 5 by 2 whole square plus 6, which is equal to 0. Now this is the perfect a square minus 2ab plus b square. I can call this a minus b whole square here. Now this is 3x minus 5 by 2 a minus b whole square minus this is 5 by 2 square, that is 25 by 4 plus 6 is equal to 0. So we can write it as 3x minus 5 by 2 whole square. Take this on the other side, 25 by 4 minus 6. So 3x minus 5 by 2 whole square. This will give me 25 minus 24 divided by 4 on LCM. So I just land up here with this is 3x minus 5 by 2 whole square, which is equal to 1 by 4. Rather, 3x minus 5 by 2 is equal to plus or minus, because square root will give you plus or minus, and the quadratic we will have to get 2 roots here. So now this can be written as 3x minus 5 by 2 is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. That means 3x minus 5 by 2 is plus half, or 3x minus 5 by 2 will be minus half. We can easily find the values now. 3x is 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2, or 3x is 5 by 2 minus half. Now in the first case, 3x will be 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So 2, 5 plus 1, 6. In the second case, 3x 5 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 4. We are going to get 4 by 2. So this will give me 3. 3x is equal to 3. X is 3 by 3, 1. Or here we are going to get 3x is 4 by 2. This will give me 2. So 3x is equal to 2. X is 2 by 3. So we got the two values of the x here. I can say here this is x is equal to 1. Therefore, x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 2 by 3. Solving x using the completing the square method.
If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
Completing the square method, another sum. In this case, already this is a perfect square. This is x square. So, x square, which is a perfect square like a square. So, I can say a is equal to x here directly. And now, the 2ab is nothing but 6x. So, 2 in place of ax, b 6x. I need to find b. So, b is 6x by 2x. So, 2 3s are. So, b is equal to 3. We want in the format of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So, b square I want. So, I'll say add and subtract b square. And here b is 3 for me. So, I'll say here add. This can be taken as x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. Add and subtract 3 square. So, this will give me x square minus 6x plus 3 square. Just after 2ab you can put this, then minus 3 square plus 3, this is 0. So, this whole thing is directly a minus b whole square formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square. This will give me minus 9 plus 3, this is equal to 0. Now, this will give x minus 3 whole square, minus 9 plus 3, minus 6 is equal to 0. X minus 3 whole square is equal to 6. Therefore, I can write x minus 3 is equal to plus or minus root 6. Therefore, x minus 3 is equal to either plus root 6 or x minus 3 is equal to minus root 6. Therefore, x is 3 plus root 6 or x is equal to 3 minus root 6 or the two roots. What we are getting for this?
If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
This is from NCERT exercise 4.3 question number 1 under with sub question 1. So this is the question 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. So I have to make this perfect square. So I shall say here multiply by 2 throughout. So because I want to make the first term perfect square, so we just take this plus 3 is equal to 0. This is 4x square minus 14x plus 6 is equal to 0. This is the perfect square for me because this will give me 2x whole square minus 14x plus 6 is equal to 0. So, I am getting in the format, I need to find b square. So, a is what here? Just 2x is a. So, let us find 2ab, which is this one, 14x. 2 as it is, 2a is nothing but 2x here. B as it is, 14x. I have to find b here, divided by 2 into 2x. B is 7 by 2. I want b square. So, I say add and subtract b square, that is 7 by 2 whole square. So, here we shall say add and subtract 7 by 2 whole square, because a square minus 2ab plus b square, what is our requirement? So this is 2x square minus 14x plus 7 by 2 whole square minus 7 by 2 whole square, so that I am not disturbing the given equation. That is, hence we do add and subtract. This whole thing will give us a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square, and this is 49 by 4 plus 6, which is equal to 0. Now we can have to simplify further. So this is 2x minus 7 by 2 whole square. Shifting it on the other side, 49 by 4, 7 square by 2 whole square minus 6. So let us take the LCM for this. This is 49 minus 24 divided by 4. 2x minus 7 by 2 whole square. This will give me 25 by 4. Now we just remove the square root and we shall see what we will get. So this is 2x minus 7 by 2 is equal to plus or minus square root 25 by 4. This is 2x minus 7 by 2, which is plus or minus 5 by 2, which implies 2x minus 7 by 2 is equal to either plus 5 by 2 or 2x minus 7 by 2 is equal to minus 5 by 2. So solving in both the cases, we will reach our answer. Picking the first one, 2x minus 7 by 2 is equal to 5 by 2. 2x is equal to 7 by 2 plus 5 by 2. 2x is 7 plus 5 by 2, which is 12 by 2. So 6. So 2x is equal to 6 implies x is 6 by 2, which is 3. So one of the answer x we got, which is 3. Let us take the second one in the same way. When 5 by 2 is negative, so minus. When it is negative, so 2x is 7 by 2 minus 5 by 2. 7 minus 5 by 2, 7 minus 5 is 2 by 2, 1. So 2x is 1, implies x is equal to half. So our two values are x is equal to 3 and x is equal to half for the two values. So we can say therefore x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 1 by 2 will be the answer.
Thanks for watching. For latest updates, don't forget to subscribe.